Tuesday's event was an amazing experience. We had a great turnout with many people coming to watch from our department and beyond. And we saw 7 impressive robots compete.
Yeah, it was fantastic. It was a real blast. I saw the opportunity to be the MC for the day and I just inserted myself into that role. I saw the opportunity to embrace my inner Craig Charles and live out my Robot Wars fantasy, so I just went for it.
It was fantastic. I was running the PA and audio equipment and also running the arena safety, but the energy around me was buzzing. It was great. Everyone seemed to be having a fantastic time watching robots create chaos and blowing each other up.
It was really fun how quickly the robots got a little bit of character and people got behind different robots, and we had some real moments of drama. A sort of fan favourite bar fight smashed the armour off another robot and everyone thought it was going in for the kill. But as it went into attack, it got stuck on the armour that it had smashed off. The groans of dismay was just, it was a beautiful moment. We had to take that one to the judges.
The atmosphere was amazing, the weather was perfect.
I had a great time. It felt like everyone involved felt like they were doing a great job.
A really fun out of work experience for members of the department that wouldn't usually interact with one another to come together and get to know each other whilst also working towards a common objective.
So as a department, we do a lot of very serious research and we work in a very competitive environment. So I think it's brilliant to use all of the skills we have here and the amazing facilities we have in places like the Makerspace for something that's creative and fun.
I think the Robot Club has brought great benefits to CEB as both a department and the community. The event was full of positive energy and served as a great team building exercise. It was clear that everyone loved it, organisers, participants, judges and viewers. I have always enjoyed watching BattleBots and Robot Wars, and I thought that with access to all the advanced engineering equipment we have in the Makerspace, why don't we do something here that would be interesting, fun and a good learning platform for many skills, something that would engage the students and staff. I spoke to Josh about it and he was very keen on the idea.
So all of our members here in the Robot Club at CEB have developed a huge range of skills during their Robot Club time.
In terms of robot building experience, I had 0 when I started it.
These range from starting with learning how to draw in CAD, so computer-aided design, and we then take those designs and make them real. So they then learn how can we take these 3D drawings on a computer and make them into a real-life part.
A lot of physics was learned through the whole process as well. Metallurgy, I have learned even more about computers, funny enough, about how the PCBs work together. And I learned a lot about materials as well.
And the other part of this is, it gives people a hugely useful skill in learning how to design and make stuff, learning how to work with different materials. So how do we manufacture plastics? How do we manufacture metals? How can we make it realistic? How can we make something strong? How can we make something bend? Huge amounts of skill sets there, which most people would not be able to get first-hand experience of in their normal day-to-day lives.
And then in the end, I'm happy to say I'm happy to build a robot all on my own from 0 to have something working.
All the robots were truly impressive and showcased the incredible talent and creativity of all our team.
My favourite aesthetic was actually debris. I thought they picked a theme, cheese, and they ran with it.
I'd say it was the big cheese.
My favourite weapon was Bar Spinner, so Muriel's robot. That weapon was awesome.
I loved Buzzkill. I think it was a beautiful piece of engineering, to be honest.
It was a precision machine gearbox, which was very impressive until the bearings exploded. More carnage, more bigger robots, yeah, bigger robots that hit harder, maybe some more innovative weapon systems. We had a lot of spinners this year, so maybe people can come up with some more interesting ideas, robots that pick each other up, robots that hit with axes, robots that send them flying to the top of the arena, I'm not sure, but some new cool ideas.